Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, as you know, we are dealing with the unit third, that is the classification of elements and periodicity in properties. आज का टॉपिक जो है दैट इज मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल. पिछले वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस किया नीड फॉर द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड देन वी हैव द हिस्टोरिकल डेवलपमेंट इन द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड इन दैट वीडियो लेक्चर द लास्ट दिस हेडिंग वाज द मेंडलीव्स क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. मेंडलीव्स क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स जो है उसके दो पार्ट्स है. वन इज द मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक लॉ एंड सेकंड इज द मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल. मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक लॉ हमने डिस्कस किया है इन द previous video lecture, and today we are going to discuss the Mendeleev's periodic table. Now what is periodic table? First of all we should know what is periodic table. Periodic table किसे कहते हैं? Periodic table, basically periodic table is a table. It is a table where the elements are arranged in such a way that elements are arranged or classified in such a way that elements which possess same properties fall within the same group. And elements which possess different properties are placed in different groups. बेसिकली पीरियोडिक टेबल क्या होता है? पीरियोडिक टेबल एक ऐसा टेबल है जहां पर हम एलिमेंट्स को क्लासिफाई करते हैं या अरेंज करते हैं इन सच अ वे, वो एलिमेंट जिनकी सेम प्रॉपर्टीज होती है दे शुड फॉल विद इन द सेम ग्रुप, एंड फिर हम उस ग्रुप में एक एलिमेंट को स्टडी करते हैं एंड अदर एलिमेंट्स दे पोजेस द सेम और द सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टीज. That is called as a periodic table. लेकिन जो ये periodic table है it is divided into the groups and the periods. Now what are groups and what are periods? Periodic table जो होता है that is divided into groups and periods. Periodic table is divided into groups and periods. Now what are groups and what are periods? Groups कहते हैं हम जो vertical columns होते हैं periodic table में. Vertical columns of the periodic table are called as groups. For example जो हम ऐसे बनाते हैं वो columns, vertical columns, जो ये वाली lines होती है they form this is called a group. This is the vertical column of the periodic tables are called as the groups. Vertical columns of the periodic table are called as groups. कभी कभी एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है कि what are groups? तो group जो होता है that is simply the vertical columns of the periodic table are called as groups. And number second, periods. What are periods? Periods जो होते हैं वो horizontal rows, ये horizontal row है like these are called as the periods. The horizontal rows of the periodic table are called as periods. सो वी हैव पीरियोडिक टेबल। पीरियोडिक टेबल एक ऐसा टेबल होता है जहाँ पर हम एलिमेंट्स को क्लासीफाई करते हैं इन सच अ वे दोज एलिमेंट्स विच possess the same properties they fall within the same group, while as those elements which possess different properties they are placed in the different groups. And now the periodic table है that is divided into the groups and the periods. The group किसे कहते हैं? जो vertical columns होते हैं periodic table के उनको हम कहते हैं groups, while जो horizontal rows होते हैं periodic table के तो उनको हम कहते हैं पीरियड्स। नाउ वी हैव मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल। क्वेश्चन जो है दैट इज मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल। मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल जो है इट कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ 8 ग्रुप्स। नंबर फर्स्ट पॉइंट हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पर इट कंसिस्ट्स consists 8 groups, that is from 1 to 8। तो ग्रुप्स हम बना भी सकते हैं दैट इज लाइक दिस 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here 8। These are groups, that is group number 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8। Group number first 7 are further divided into subgroups, that's subgroup A and subgroup B, like this. We have A to 7, they are further divided into twos, that is subgroup A and subgroup B. Left hand side constitutes the subgroup A, while as right hand side constitutes the subgroup B, that is A and B is A B A B A B B A B A and B। एंड सो यहाँ पर जो मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल है इट कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ 8 ग्रुप्स, दैट्स फ्रॉम ग्रुप नंबर 1 टू ग्रुप नंबर 8। नंबर सेकंड पॉइंट हम लिखेंगे द ग्रुप्स फ्रॉम फर्स्ट टू 7 आर फर्दर divided into 2 subgroups, that is subgroup A and subgroup B। इसी तरह से है दिस इज सेकंड पॉइंट। नंबर थर्ड पॉइंट, इसमें कितने पीरियड्स हैं? वी हैव 7 पीरियड्स इन द मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल। वी हैव 7, दैट्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। We have 7 groups in the Mendeleev's periodic. We have 7 periods in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Number third point है there are 7 periods in the Mendeleev's periodic table. This is about the Mendeleev's periodic table. Now we have the merits and the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे what are the various merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table में आपने याद रखा कि Mendeleev's periodic table जो है it consists of the 8 groups. That's group number 1 to group number 8. But group number 1 to 7 are further divided into 2 subgroups, that's subgroup A and subgroup B, while as the group number 8 that is not divided into the 2 subgroups. And then we have the third point that there are the 7 periods in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Now we have the meritus and the demeritus of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Meritus and demeritus of Mendeleev's periodic table. मेरिटस, सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे मेरिटस ऑफ मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल. नंबर फर्स्ट मेरिट है मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल का ये कि विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल द स्टडी ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स it become easy and systematic. The study of the elements become easy and systematic. This is first merit of the Mendeleev's periodic table. जो Mendeleev's periodic जितने भी elements discover हुए थे at the time of the Mendeleev, that's about the 65 or 69 elements were discovered. They were arranged in a systematic manner so that their study it became easy. Number second, Mendeleev's periodic table में खाली उस वक्त 65 elements discover हुए थे, तो कुछ गैप्स रखी थी मेंडलीव ने फॉर द अनडिस्कवर्ड एलिमेंट्स एंड देयर प्रॉपर्टीज वर प्रिडिक्टेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर पोजीशंस. एंड लेटर ऑन जब वो एलिमेंट्स डिस्कवर हुए they possess the same properties as predicted by the Mendeleev. Number another point जो है that is certain gaps were left for the undiscovered elements and their properties were predicted on the basis of their positions. And later on when these elements were discovered, they possess the same properties. For example, कुछ गैप्स रखी गई थी इन द मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल. फॉर यहाँ पर बोरान था, इसके नीचे एक गैप रखी गई थी. एल्यूमिनियम के नीचे एक गैप रखी गई थी फॉर द अनडिस्कवर्ड एलिमेंट. इसी तरह से सिलिकॉन के नीचे गैप रखी गई थी फॉर द अनडिस्कवर्ड एलिमेंट. एंड लेटर ऑन जब ये प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दीज एलिमेंट्स वर प्रेडिक्टेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर पोजीशंस. लेटर ऑन जब ये एलिमेंट्स डिस्कवर हुए तो दे पोजेस द सेम प्रॉपर्टी. लेकिन जो एलिमेंट एल्यूमिनियम के नीचे था उसका नाम रखा गया था मेंडलीव ने इका एल्यूमिनियम. इसी तरह से है सिलिकॉन के नीचे जो था दैट्स कॉल्ड इका सिलिकॉन. इका एल्यूमिनियम जो लेटर ऑन डिस्कवर हो गया दैट वाज द गैलियम एंड द इका सिलिकॉन जो है दैट इज द इका जर्मेनियम. These were the elements which were discovered later on and they possess the same properties as predicted by the Mendeleev. This is the second important merit of the Mendeleev's classification, this Mendeleev's periodic table. Number third है it gives us the correct valency of some elements. Number third, it helped us in giving the correct valency of some elements. For example, beryllium. बेरिलियम को असाइन की गई थी वैलेंसी दैट इज 3 and its atomic mass was calculated by multiplying the equivalent weight of beryllium, that's 4.5, with valency was assigned to beryllium as 3 and it comes out to be something that is the 5, and it comes out to be something that is 13 point something. Its atomic mass comes out to be 13.5. If we take its valency as 3 and it is equivalent to weight as 4.5, then its mass comes out to be 13.5, and it should be placed somewhere between the carbon and the nitrogen, क्योंकि कार्बन का 12 है, इसका है 14. It should be placed somewhere between these two, but it is not placed there. It is not placed there. तो so correctly फिर इसके बाद क्या किया गया कि the valency of the beryllium was assigned to be 2, and with this assigning it 2, it comes out to be 9, and it is perfect place between the lithium and the boron. So it helped us in giving the correct valency to of some elements. For example, beryllium was assigned wrongly the valency 3, while as its actual valency is 2 as given by the Mendeleev's periodic table. For example, beryllium was wrongly assigned valency 3, but it was corrected by Mendeleev's periodic table and was given as correct one valency as 2. These are some of the important merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. So merits में हमने याद रखा कि first the study became easy and systematic. Number second, certain gaps were left for the undiscovered elements, and later on when those elements were discovered, they possess the same property. And number third, it helped us in giving the correct valency to some elements, for example beryllium. Now we have the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Number first demerit क्या था Mendeleev's periodic table का? वो ये था, no proper position was assigned to the hydrogen. Hydrogen जो है it resembles in some properties it resembles with the alkali metals, and in some properties it resembles with that of the halogens, but no proper position was assigned to hydrogen in the Mendeleev's periodic table. No proper position was assigned to hydrogen in the Mendeleev's periodic table. In some properties it resembles with alkali metals, and in some properties it resembles with halogens, but it was placed with alkali metals. So its position was no proper position was assigned to hydrogen in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Number second, Mendeleev's periodic table जो है its basis जो है that is the increasing atomic masses. अगर increasing atomic masses basis है, then what about the isotopes? Isotopes होते हैं वो एलिमेंट जिनका एटॉमिक नंबर सेम होता है लेकिन उनका मास में डिफरेंट होता है. तो अगर एटॉमिक पीरियोडिक टेबल का की जो बेसिस है दैट इज द इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मास, सो वी शुड हैव द different positions for isotopes in the Mendeleev's periodic table, but no such position was assigned to the isotopes in the Mendeleev's periodic table. No proper proper position of isotopes in the Mendeleev's periodic table. आइसोटोप्स की पोजीशन के बारे में भी नहीं कहा गया इन द मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल. नंबर 3 पॉइंट जो है, सम एलिमेंट्स उनका जो बेसिस है मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल का वो है इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मास. दैट मींस फर्स्ट हमें वो एलिमेंट प्लेस करना है जिसका एटॉमिक मास कम हो, उसके बाद उससे ज्यादा, फिर उससे ज्यादा, उससे ज्यादा. लेकिन यहाँ पर कई जगह पे क्या होता है कि सम एलिमेंट्स प्रोसीड, जिनका एटॉमिक मास ज्यादा होता है वो प्रोसीड करते हैं टू द एलिमेंट्स व्हिच पोजेस द लोअर atomic masses. For example, we have the potassium, इसका है 39.1 and argon जो है इसका है 39.9. So first there should be the potassium and then comes the argon. But Mendeleev's periodic table में क्या है कि argon it precedes the potassium. Similar is the case with that of the cobalt and the nickel. वहाँ पर भी क्या है कि कोबाल्ट जो है उसका मास जो है that's 58.9, while as the nickel जो है कोबाल्ट का जो है 58.9 and nickel जो है इसका है 58.7. So on the basis of the increasing atomic mass, nickel should precede the first the cobalt is placed and then followed by the nickel. So this was the demerit of the Mendeleev's periodic table. इसी तरह से है some elements which possess different properties, they are placed within the same group, while as those elements which possess the same group are placed in the different groups. Another point was fourth one, that some elements which possess different properties are placed within the same group. For example, we have lithium, sodium, potassium. इनके साथ कौन से एलिमेंट्स रखे गए? That is the copper, silver and gold. They were, although they possess totally different properties, but they were placed in the same group. This was the demerit of the Mendeleev's periodic table. And इसी तरह से है कुछ same elements they which possess the same properties, they are placed in the different groups. For example, copper and mercury. Copper it was placed in the second B, while as mercury was placed in first B and second B. Copper and mercury they possess the same properties, but copper was placed in the first B and the mercury it was placed in the second B. So we have the fourth important demerit of the Mendeleev's periodic table is that those elements which possess the same properties, those elements which possess the different properties, they are placed in the same group, whereas those elements which possess the same properties, they are placed in the different groups. These were some of the important merits and the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. So in today's video lecture we discussed Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table है क्या? It consists of how many groups, how many periods. Then we have the merits and the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Inshallah, in the next video lecture, we will go through some other topic, that is the modern periodic table and modern periodic law. Thank you so much.